In the early 1900s, cars were only for the rich. One man changed that forever.
This man was Henry Ford, born in 1863 on a farm in Michigan, USA. Henry loved machines. At a young age, he took apart watches just to see how they worked.
Henry Ford failed twice in business, but he never gave up.
I want to build a car for the average person. Yes.
In 1908, Ford introduced the famous Model T.
The Model T was strong, simple, and affordable.
Because of our new mass production methods, the price of the Model T goes down every year. By 1927, over 15 million Model T cars were sold worldwide. Ford shocked the world by paying workers $5 a day, double the normal wage. Ford expands globally. Ford factories opened in Europe, Asia, and Africa. And Ford ended Model T production and introduced Model A.
During World War II, Ford stopped car production to build tanks, jeeps, and aircraft. After the war, Ford returned stronger with modern car designs.
Gentlemen, this new Fairlane is the height of modern design. Notice the Thunderbird styling and this incredible nylon interior.
In 1964, Ford released the legendary Mustang.
The Mustang became a symbol of speed, youth, and freedom. Ford became famous for trucks like the F-Series, the best-selling truck in the USA. Ford invested heavily in safety, comfort, and technology.
During fuel crises, Ford developed smaller and more efficient cars.
Ford introduced smart cars with computers, sensors, and AI systems. Ford entered the electric future with Mustang Mach-E and F-150 Lightning.
Ford today. Ford sells millions of vehicles in over 100 countries.
From a farm boy's dream to a global empire, Ford didn't just build cars.
From a farm boy's dream to a global empire, Ford didn't just build cars, it changed the world.